the National Working Committee of the party, on his behalf, on behalf of the Executive Committee, pursuant to Section 29(2)(b) and 47(1) of our Constitution, as amended, approved the following gentlemen as caretaker for the South-South Zonal Committee. The membership is headed by Chief Emmanuel Ogidi, he is from Delta Stroke Bayelsa. We have Honorable Nicholas Ayua. He is from Cross River. And we have Mrs. Bekwe Ashanti. She is from Bayelsa Stroke. I remain there. We have Mr. Idehen Ebonwi. Dan himself from Ishan, I think. From Benin. Then we have Dame Vivian Ayamisi. She's also from Edo. And then we have Chief Dimitri Herbert Miller. He is from Rivers Stroke Bayelsa. So, Mr. Chairman, these are the gentlemen that will steer the ship of the South-South. No, I forgot. Okay. Sorry, sir, I forgot Barrister Godin Akpan Odonta. He is from Akwa Ibom, but he has no stroke. He's from Akwa Ibom. Well, this gentleman will steer the ship of the South-South pending the congresses, which we are scheduled for the 12th of April 2025. Mr. Chairman, that is the reason why we're here. Thank you very much.
Which party leaders from the South-South and the soon-to-be inaugurated committee. Sorry, my commanders in the states from the South-South, I can see them. The chairman of Edo, Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, and Delta are all here. Well, indeed, this is a very important occasion, and I think I want to use this opportunity to tell us that there was no any election as far as this party is concerned in South-South for Zonal Congress. I want to make this clear. Because the tenure of the Zonal Committee has expired, and we still have few weeks or a month or so to do the Zonal Congresses, we find it necessary to come up with this caretaker committee. And I believe from your choices, some which I have known and related with, I have no doubt that you will be diligent in your responsibility and usher in the new soon-to-be elected executive committee of the zone. So I enjoin you to be devoid of any partisanship or taking side, to be diligent in the execution of your destiny so that we will come up with an all-inclusive executive committee in the zone. I also want to use also this opportunity, since it's an opportunity for me to tell Nigerians that this party, the PDP, is still the party to be. A party that has been tested for 27 years, is one of the oldest parties. All these shenanigans you see around, the APC, have not been more than 10 years old. And if you've grown up to be up to 27 years and still standing, still counting, then there is no any guarantee more than that. The PDP is a guarantee for Nigerians to change the course of what is happening today in our country. And I also want to use also this opportunity to caution also our leaders. Don't fear them. Don't give them any encomiums. Nobody is going to change your destiny for you other than yourself. I've noticed maybe because of decorum, maybe because of fears, you find sometimes leaders encouraging this present administration at the center. I find it really very disgusting. And let's tell ourselves the truth. A PDP man should not income any of this employment to any in any way to this government. So please and please, please and please, I want to guide. Let's be up and do it. Don't fear anyone. Nigerians belong to all of us. Nigerians belong to all of us. So there's nobody who is a better Nigerian than you are. It's all an opportunity, but if you put your act together, the path is very bright. I will reach that destination. With this, I want to use this opportunity before I sit down so that I can shorten up the program. You can call on the caretaker so that I can inaugurate them at the same time, so you can move forward. At least your names have been,
Chairman Chief Emmanuel Ogi. The committee want to give thanks to God Almighty for this opportunity to serve, and also to the National Working Committee for approving us. Want to assure you that by the grace of God, we will discharge our duties dispassionately to the glory of God. Want to thank everybody present, and we assure you that what is expected of us we're going to do. In fact, we're going to listen to the advice of the chairman in his speech. He has charged us, and by the grace of God, we'll do our best. Thank you very much.
His Excellency, the Governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Elder Sheriff F.O. Oborori, JP. I wish to congratulate the brand new Caretaker Committee of the South-South zone of our great party, the People's Democratic Party. It is my prayer that this new Caretaker Committee will discharge their duties very favorably, to the extent that our great party will become more united and continue to win elections in the South-South, just as we used to do. It is my belief and my prayer that come 2027, all the 6 states of the South-South will belong to PDP. I wish to thank the Acting National Chairman and all the national executives for this great privilege of bringing our fathers, our leaders and mothers as Acting Caretaker Committee to pilot the state of affairs of our great party from now to the next foreseeable future. On this note, I thank everybody for coming.
From the National Assembly, and to say that this event today is very heartwarming, is very inspiring, and I can assure you from the grapevine what I hear, that is a conclusion that the PDP is on the trajectory of regaining its winning ways. For many of us in the National Assembly, especially among the senators, PDP is our party. And I overheard one senator say the other time that if there is going to be a merger and the name of PDP was going to go, he will quit politics. Because we see PDP as a brand name that cuts across the country. There is no village, there is no unit in Nigeria today that you go, that you will hear the presence and see the presence of PDP. And so for this singular act of setting up the Caretaker Committee to oversee the affairs of the party for an interim period, for a proper conduct of elections, for the election of party officials, I think there is hope in the air. And so, Mr. Chairman, from the National Assembly, we pledge our unalloyed support to the PDP, to the current leadership of the PDP, and our belief is that no matter the rumblings now, at the end of the tunnel, there is light. And that PDP would definitely present Nigerians with the alternative platform to choose Nigeria's leadership. Thank you very much.
South Zone Chief Emmanuel Ogidi.
Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the People's Democratic Party and the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the People's Democratic Party and of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. Now the oath of office. Affection or ill will, that I shall not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall become known to me as an officer of the party, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties, and that I shall devote myself to the service and well-being